So, yo, welcome guys. This is Saradi, and I know it's been more than 4 days since we uh, done a live. It's almost a week, right? Yeah, I'm back today. It's Wednesday, and first time we are doing this live on New York session. Oh, forward to okay. So yeah, we've been streaming on both YouTube and Twitch. So if you are new to this channel, my channel. Okay, so I post all about my knowledge and my experiences and free signals, and yeah, I'm gonna share whatever the things that I know. Okay, so mostly that yeah, kindly I'm a full-time trader for now, so I'm gonna share some insights and my educational contents here. So yeah, make sure you guys have to learn first, and then yeah, first read the disclaimer. So well, yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, you have to know about my Telegram channel. Okay, so yeah, almost more than 2 months. Um, we have a personal Telegram channel and also a Discord community. And let me show you what we got. Yeah, can't show me Discord, I guess, because other. Okay, so you guys see today we didn't post like after Tokyo session. I'm not uh, current like live in the market, so I can't post any signals today. But I have been posted signals on other groups as well. Okay, so yeah, here in free, this is a free community. Okay, so if you go in the pinned comments, you can see what are the important contents and what are the reports and histories of our channel will be there. Just too much, but you can see that is almost 80 plus 90 plus accuracy is there in our channel signal. Okay, that accuracy of our signals is very good. That if we are giving 10 trades, 9 trades going to be hit TP or break even. Okay, so they're gonna be one trade only you're gonna hit SL, that much accuracy. And we also yeah, I will let you show this is the first week that we started to give kind of information like what is free, what is paid membership. Yeah, if you are good at it and you can't do it for free, right? Because like I'm not selling any courses, but I'm a full-time trader, and this is not for beginners. I don't want beginners. Like first, beginners has to learn and get some experiences and payment. So for whoever knows trading, like they know can like they can understand the emotional and psychology and whatever the things that they do, and they can manage the money, so they can get so far benefits from our channel. Okay, we already have some international clients that were very happy with our product, and yeah, they were earning per day 10 percentage of their account. Okay, this might be kidding, but 10 percentage, yeah, you can see minimum 5 percentage of their account size. Okay, so in our channel you can see free signals, couple of signals per day mostly. Okay, that is very accurate. So at least one signal you will be getting that very best signal. In previous, like I will show you, in previous days also we got some signal that hits 200 pips. Okay, but we closed at around 100 pips. Okay, some scalpings we did. And YouTube live mentorship, that no mentor is going to give you a live mentorship. That yeah, like I'm not a mentor, but take it as a colleague. Okay, um, yeah, you can share your strategies and your ideas, and I can share mine. That's all. And here the access of tools and resources, this is the group that I'm speaking of. So whatever the things that I learned from my resources and tools, everything that kind of worth resources that you don't want to search on internet, and you're gonna search on internet and find the hundreds of resources, and just 10 of them will be worth. Okay, so what our team consider as worth resources will be in that group. That is free. You just have to DM and let you know the one step process. It's totally free. So yeah, for now, that three stars, it's totally free for everyone. Even if you want to check it out, just see for 1 month signals, just trade with it. You know how your account going to returns your money. Okay, so then if you want, you can go for paid membership, like very close members that we are in right now. I don't want quantity, but quality of peoples is enough. Okay, so we trying to build a trustful and a best community, that, and also we don't want to get beginners, because beginners, they don't know how to manage their money, and they have to learn more. Okay, so they have to learn from first demo account and some profits. Yeah, then only they can get into live accounts. Okay, so yeah, plus free and add-ons was VIP signals. Yeah, this is the first day I'm explaining this, so don't worry, I'm not going to explain it every day. Okay, so this is the first day that I choose to do this, because yeah, I'm providing a worth stuff that can be paid. Okay, so we're providing VIP signals that would be more than five signals. At least four signals will be definitely TP. Okay, that is why I'm saying 80 plus accuracy, and copy trading from our experts, and that also available, and premium channels. Okay, in Discord and Telegram we have few members, very few members that who are experienced in trading, so you can talk with them. So yeah, you will make a connections, and these all in one page. Okay, that is how our membership works, and our customized automated robot access. Okay, so yeah, if you are interested, you can just DM. I will let you know. Our team access that if you have any supports, if you have any doubts, you can access 10 hours per day and 5 days. Okay, yeah, and then access to our crew meetings. Okay, we will arrange some meetings. Okay, that is important, like premium members or whoever. Um, yeah, that in the channels or Telegram we will post a link, and we arrange the meeting weekly, twice or once. Okay, so yeah, verify free resources, then choose wisely. I don't want to guys all of them to choose. Maybe like only few can afford this, and just go and verify last 2 months. Okay, you will definitely, I'll tell you, you will get shocked how much accuracy that our channel is giving. Okay, just because we just begin, don't underestimate. Just go and check it out. Just, I think I posted in the link in description. Go and check it out, and yeah, always know that if you are good at it, don't do it. And yeah, whoever, this is true that whoever we are, the some numbers are there. Okay, the some numbers are, let's take as a loyal clients or a first clients. Okay, so we will give them a lifetime opportunity, like they don't have to pay yearly membership, like we're going to grow a big, you can see we are expecting at the big range. Okay, so there might be in the future, yeah, I don't want to tell you everything, but in future there might be um, is that, yeah, giveaways will be there, and the meetings like live meet, offline meetings will be there, and yeah, so much stuff I can't tell now, but because yeah, once this happened, I will let you know. So so many stuffs will be getting free for you, like those all for first few members only, and I can't tell that now. So yesterday we got, yeah, this is the rate that we are posted as a sigma. So first we closed at, because I opened a high lot and I closed it at 30 pips, because that time they were both were pushing like sell side and buy side. So I closed at 30 pips and it went to the same entry and we got another trade and we also made more than, yeah, you just go and check it out how the yesterday works, that it's gonna huge bullish move, right? Yeah, finally that's all about my channel. So yeah, why I'm talking about, yeah, you were asked, hello bro. Just now I looking into the YouTube chats. Okay, so where we left. Yeah, today like I I did not posted any signals, right? So we might expect a scalping today, and yeah, so this is the first time we are doing live at around near New York session. So we're gonna expect good. Those scalpings also 80% accuracy. I never done this scalping at live. Let's see, but it was a good strategy though. How you doing, Yuvraj? Like, how you doing at your portfolio? I hope it's everything fine. So I just make sure set things up. Then we look for some person. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and join in Telegram, because even if you guys are watching live, sometimes I will be going outside and I'll post the signals on the Telegram. If that was so quick, okay, yeah. Sometimes you might miss the stop loss moving the SL kind of thing. So yeah, you have to both subscribe the YouTube and Telegram, because like I'm sure that whoever subscribed this channel, like this is a very beginning, okay, just 100 subscribers, but our results and our efforts, like whatever the results that we are showing to our clients and viewers, you know, if you guys watching every day, you will know the accuracy, and this gonna be so freaking out. Okay, we're gonna see ourselves in future so far. So yeah, don't miss this kind of opportunity. Try to learn from me, and yeah, don't miss out. So better like future you also catch up with. Okay, so basically I always use EMA. It's just simple. We can find where is the trend is like what trend is it is, okay, currently uptrend or downtrend. Okay, I guess I have to buy one webcam. Like my current webcam is not good. I can't use my phone because I'm going to pay. So yeah, we might looking for BTC or nasdaq for scalping. Okay, so it might take time. Okay, guys, you have to wait, because scalping, you know, scalping strategies or like kind of stuff that you have to wait for around 4 hours for one or two setup, and it's definitely gonna pay you out. So morning itself is a good day. Like we just started out with the Tokyo session and we gone for buy and sell two was just, it was a good, like we bagged some money. Okay, just go and check out the results on the Telegram. Yeah, don't. And yeah, I like to know, guys, which currency that you guys mostly trade. So yeah, I wanna know everyone who ever watching this. So I usually trade scalp on BTC as a, yeah, I do scalping here and most trades on gold, and I rarely use forex exchanges like GBP USD or GBP JPY. I rarely use them. So actually, I know that this is almost 4 days that we are doing this live again. But you know what? Um, we also focusing on improving some other stuff like our accuracy of our signal has been improved. Okay, so that 4 days, I would say that's gonna be my best day because even if I was not doing live, but I'm doing good at trade. Okay, like it's doing profit. So sometimes I can't be doing live because of that. We know, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So we started. Um, what is it? This kind of news or stuff from here. So where we left. Oh, shit. Really okay, actually, I wanted to do a video for platforms like so for the beginners who can choose brokers and prop firms, how they can find it's the best prop firm, or this is the best broker. Like in India, it's so much trouble, you know. So that's why. Um, but yeah, we can do it later on. But I saw no beginners were asking for that kind of videos for now, so we'll do it. So I don't know. I have to wait for the right. I mean, it's just now 5. Our entries will be like 6 o'clock or in middle of 6 to 7 between IST. Yeah. Okay. But we're gonna do, yeah. Come out, guys. Come out and ask any questions that you have. Like, just share your experiences and let's discuss something. Okay. So I've seen guys. Not only guys, but I've seen when I was a beginner, I tried to talk with too much of people like mentors online, like so many networks. I tried so many networks. Okay, so when I was a non-profitable, okay, so no one gave a shit, no one gave a good response. So see, I saw that was the lacking, that was a lacking one because that's why I started live. So anyone who were came into live, they can ask any questions, they can ask to experienced trader. Like I don't know, maybe you might more experienced than me, but yeah, we can talk together and we know what we both we're working on. So that's where the network and your knowledge builds. Okay, so you might closely looking on this whole currency. So we definitely expect scalping. Don't ever miss the scalping. That's going to be 1 or 2 minutes scalping. Okay, just go on. It's about your like. I will post the exact like if I going short, I will tell you exact Excel and TP. Okay, so, guys. So yeah, I just want to show that scalping and we are also did not did any live trading. It's around 4 days. Yeah. So like I don't know how long this market is going to give us money. Okay. Why? Because we found an algorithm. It's not kind of algorithm, but it's kind of a method or a hack, I would say. Like, it's kind of glitch in the market. So found certain ways that matched up and gives money. That trades are going to be very accurate. So that's why I came to a membership. Okay. Like that was awesome, and you can make literally a ton of. And so I don't know. Maybe I'm also gonna post some blogging. I guess so. Maybe in the future, like I don't know. Like if I was gonna travel. So what do you guys think? If I post this kind of traveling stuff and blogging to YouTube, I don't know my audience love or I'm glad that we are our subscribers were slowly, but this fast is not enough actually. So yeah, so why we are not trading gold? Like last Monday we did not get into the trade of gold. Like yeah, why? Because it's already all time high. I don't want to take more risk. Okay, so and today last 2 days we didn't touch our yeah, it's a USD. Okay, so today morning itself Tokyo we just opened two positions and it was fucking good. And here you can see New York. Like I don't want to trade the exact same exchange again and again over the okay. Like if I do that, I don't know. I eventually fail. That's my like I did that. Okay, when I start morning, I trade the gold for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, okay, it was fine. I will be floating on some profits. Okay, I'll close at profit. But if I do that end of the night, like end of the day, same currency. I mean, like and keep pushing. Like it's kind of overtrade. I know that, but I eventually fail. So that's why I once I done some profits on gold or something, I'll just shift to other currencies or other exchanges, or else I will close the end. Like it's the end of the day. So so when I did that, I find that I can be um, like I can't go from profitable to I can't lose more. So so I know you guys who are watching this, getting profitable is not that easy as a beginner. But once you taste the profitable, and yeah, definitely the life is going to change. And who is the one going to trust? It's you. You are the one going to trust yourself. So that's all it takes, man. And nothing gonna change us. You're gonna make. So right now, if you just go on, like definitely gold is gonna be, uh, let's say uptrend. Okay, it's gonna be reaching too much. You see, it's already all-time high. Okay, so it's gonna go. It's gonna go. So it's I don't know. It's maybe yearly or it's you can see if I go. 30 minute, it's already an all-time high. Okay, it's definitely gonna reach more higher. Okay, that doesn't mean you're gonna go and buy gold. Okay, because it's late already. It's late. Okay, it's late. So yeah, we missed this one, but it's okay. If it retested back, okay, if it retested back exactly here, like it won't retest actually, but if it happened, like it happened, you can go buy gold maybe. Okay, it's gonna reach more higher. So, yeah. Missing a trade is kind of very hard. It's kind of very hard thing. Fine, we are finally getting into our places. Okay, so we might expect soon good scalping setup. Okay, like how the scalping. I'm gonna do the scalping. Let's show you. So let's say if I was this is the this all candles were not there. Okay, if these candles are growing like here, this candle I'm going to tell you scalping. Okay, this is how upcoming setup I'll tell you. Like I'll tell you, yeah, guys, go buy here, entry here, and SOS there, and I'll tell you close it here. Just around 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, that's all. At max 1 is to 2, just close it. Okay. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna tell you scalping like in upcoming hours. Okay, so it's kind of example. Okay, after one candle, um, I already told this strategy on live, I guess. If you guys want to know, just let me know. So let's see. It's definitely like almost every day I got this kind of setup. At least one, at least one. I think we don't miss this time. Don't risk much, okay? Even if I was live trading, don't risk much. Always make sure what risk that you're going to trade for your account. Then risk that money or that lot size. Just go for it. So the one big lot size can change your both like it's also destroy your account. It also pass your account. But it all mostly it's destroy your account. Why? Because you may not uh, trained with your psychology or your emotions, and you don't have enough capitals, right? Uh, I have been in this phase. I traded almost like let's say 10% of profit if I make this and I'll get a payout of. I made this kind of mistake. I almost made more than 6%. Okay, just 4% out there. And what I thought, I will risk all my 6%. So definitely one trade, I'm gonna go possible. I want to skip 2 weeks of trade just for one day trade. Okay. So what do you think? It eventually failed, and yeah, a 1 month or more than 1 month work gone just like in a minute. Okay, so that's why I tell you guys, if you are going for full risk or full margin, you have to go with first. It's like the beginning itself. If you are going slowly to end of the payout, and if you take full risk, that is mad, that is stupid things to do. So most like already my subscriber or it's kind of and I got just in 30 minutes. Like I can talk too much to myself and no one's chatting here. Okay. Within 30 minutes we can expect scalping. Okay. Like someone if you came there they were like today scalping. Yeah. So say then few 30 minutes or within an hour expect scalping center or center. So I like to know guys do crypto trading stuff. If you guys just say like, I wanna ask some questions. So yeah, you guys if you want to build some network, like if you wanna talk with me or if you want to talk with we really just created recently recently a Discord for our community. Okay. Go and join link in my bio description. So like guys don't like I like to know any profitable traders how long they took, what strategy they just curious. Okay, uh, it's below the EM. Let's see. You might get a chance for scalp. It's not a New York session, right? It's not, it's not a session. So if any guys are traded with signals, so like as a beginner, I did trade signals in the beginning. If you guys have traded with signals, also like just share your experience. Um, how you guys like if you guys made some profits or losses, what lessons that you got from trading with signals? I got bad lessons. Like why? Because I start follow like when I was being a very beginner, like I don't uh, learn technical and stuff. So I go and saw some Telegram signals and I just follow the signals. And these guys actually closed the trade already. Okay, they were doing scalping, I guess so. And I was there watching. It will reach some kind of TP, TP2, 3, 4, 5. But you know, most of the time it was a SL. And yeah, that's how my sequence went. And I wanted to, like, that's why I'm also posting signals on free signals on Telegram because those signals are if rarely scalping. Okay, so even if it was scalping, I'll let you know that people's it was a scalping, and mostly will be like day trading. Like you can hold the position for at least 30 minutes or 50 minutes. Okay. So yeah, and I will let you know when to close. It's a break even. Or, so I feel like I was changed and giving something worth to our subscribers. Yeah. So you see what the exact setup that I was expecting here. It's kind of easy. Okay, just go for candle. I can actually come down. So go for it. And why? Because it just makes the chart clear. It's not for every strategy, but this strategy it's really good. So if you under the EML line, you are in down. If you up with the EML line, you are in up. That's a simple. Okay. So if you are under the EMA, right now we are under the okay. So if it drops down and it gives reversal, okay, this just see the red drops down and it gives a reversal as green, and it has to be no single wick. Okay. At the end of the see here there is a wick, there is a wick, and also it was in the middle of the year. So this is wrong. This is the wrong setup. This is not. It has to be no wick. Okay, last three or two wick has to be below the year. Once we got very next red candle, we go for short. That's all. Down EMA, we go for short. Above the EMA, we go for long. So just 1:2 ratio. Boom. Get the setup. I also used to trade in like automated trading. Okay, like see EAs, and we got some people in our team like they are expert in the EAs. Okay, so they do research on EAs and they like backtested thousands of EAs, and we got few ones like good for scalping and day trading for different currencies, different EAs. So I like to tell about this EAs. If anyone knows it, you just have to know that EAs are not 24 by 7, sorry, 24 by 4. Okay, if BTC, but not 24 by 7, because it's gonna change based on the news, based on the spreads. Like different EAs affects different type of issues. Okay, so you just have to see, all you just have to figure out the algorithm the that you, if you do that and you can be, even if you don't know the trading and you can still make money like thousands of dollars in a day. It's all gonna happen by experience. Okay, you can see here it's again crashed the EMA. So it was not pretty sure on trend. If it does like this, and we're not gonna be expecting any good. See, this is how I was expecting. This is how the trend has to be. So even if the trends has to be, let's go. So I just want to share. See, this is the exact position I was expecting. Exact position. You can see there is no wick above last three or two, and boom. After the first very candle, you just have to go. That's all. That's a 1:2 ratio. That's all. You got the setup 1:2 ratio or 1:1. And those are freaking out setups. Don't ever underestimate those kind of ratios. 1:1, 1:2. Don't underestimate these kind of setups. Most of the traders were became profitable using this setup. Okay, like why? Um, yeah, they also do some swings and long ratios, but let me tell you, that is like I'm also searching for so many strategies, but these kind of setups gonna like once you master that, it's gonna change your life. If it does for like this, like consolidating in middle of the EMA will take a break. There is no use of waiting. Okay. Why do you guys? I saw few people so subscriber with but why do people are coming on like not even a chat like no you can just say hi or just I've been talking to myself. It feels dumb. Everyone. Okay. So let me take a short break. Maybe scalping. Break. Wait for setup. Break means I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna turn off my audio. Like I'm gonna wait for setup. I don't like people are not even like if you guys chat in something live, I could feel like I'm talking to someone. So yeah. So go and check it out. Link in bio. My accuracy of signals, and you will know how best the accuracy that I'm finding. Okay. And once we got the setup, go for it. You guys chatting like if you got any message, I'll right away reply you. I'm just gonna look after other stuff. Okay. Yeah. I don't know who are watching. Most of my analytics, my YouTube analytics shows that 80% of the viewers were from you, like, but not subscribe. But yeah, guys, talk to me something like what you guys right now trading and what you doing. You looking for any other currencies and what positions that you expect. Let's don't hesitate. Talk. I like to know like guys. It might for a while too. So till like after that section. So here, yeah. So before those setups, I like to introduce. I just like let you show my results, guys. So it might helpful, I guess. So before just watching the charts, it's better. Okay. So this is the two. Is it visible? You can see this is we bought here and so this is the two positions and this that we done today on Tokyo session. Okay. And if you go to the pin page here, and this one you can see this results right here. This one, I think yesterday or yeah yesterday. So today's one also I will show you. Okay, this results is from EA automated trading. Okay, right? Okay, so it's totally EA. It's kind of system that we found. Okay, we have experts in our community. Okay, so we're working as a team. So we backtested like hundreds and nearly thousands of EAs. Okay, so we collected a good like not a single EA was 100% good. If that EA was 100% good, it has more risk on blowing out the account. Okay, so and also some algorithms were banned on prop firm and also um, kind of brokers like HFT, like so many stuffs are there. Like yeah, so we found few years that were good, and if you have to run it on certain time only and certain rules and regulations there. So if you follow that, you will see this kind of results. Yeah, you just have to change the laws based on your capital. Like everything will be, uh, as I told, if you guys want to know paid membership or EA services, whatever. Okay, so just DM like link in bio. Like I will let you know. Before that, just go on check it out. Our 2 month results. You're going to be shocked. We only in free signals itself. We only provide very accurate signals. Okay, last month last month we only hit 2 SL. Okay, just 2 SL, and everything was almost profits and few were break evens. Okay, and this is our main message. So yeah, I just want to show like we didn't got any trade yet, so like give you some brief idea about my channel. Okay. Okay, you can see 1 month, like it's almost 2 months, okay, since we started this channel, and 1 month we gave signals, and this is the result that you can see. So the accuracy of this is a monthly report, and if you go check it out in this histories, and you can find everything was purely updated. Okay, this is weekly. Every week we updated. I just have to drag it. So, okay, every week we updated the signals results. You can see you can find only two results per week, or sometimes there is no SL the week. Okay. So that much accuracy we provide. If you go on search on any other channels, that this is what I saw lacking on when I was a beginner. Okay, if I go for any signals, and they give random signals like 2 3 signals per day, and someday you can see 5 signals also. They will say they will just like price their one TP hit, okay, and if you just go and saw the history, they might already lose 3 trades, 3 signals. They don't even talk about that. Those kind of moves, like it's a bullshit. Beginners were going and copying trades, those kind of moves, bro, you're never gonna make really profitable. Okay, I definitely sure, because when I've been in that phase. If you don't know whatever group, not this group, whatever group, if you don't know what people's providing, like accurate, like accuracy of the signals or accuracy of the trades, it's not gonna happen. So whatever that, if you're gonna get into trade, or just have to figure out what's your plan shape. Okay, so this is the challenge 10K challenge that I got. This is a investors prediction. Like, if you wanna go check it out, like we posted 2 days and we holded this one, and it was good, like, but minus $100, and we focused on some live accounts, so that's why we holded this. And today we traded this one. Okay, you just go on. We got around 50 USD, I guess so. So 50 or 60 something. So we started this challenge also. Uh, I was posting it on, like, I wanted to post, but I don't have time to edit and stuff. Yeah, finally, and in our channel, we will give you SL, and we don't tell you every time uh, you have to close it on break even or SL. It's your decision, right? As a trader, it's your decision to decide. So then only you will become. So these are reports. Too slow. It's kind of moving. So I am moving to the point next time. So you guys, like, always aware of economic process. Okay, like, I don't know why I'm doing this, but sometimes, like, you might fail if you don't catch up with users. It's not about technical analysis, but you have to be get updated. Whatever the news is, that, like, if you are in US, you have to know what Trump speaks. Like, likewise, like, um, economic news plays big role in these kind of markets. Okay, previous videos, I that I start. Let's go. Let's launch some kind of a meme coin or tokens. Okay, but I've not started it. Was planning to, but we got every day we got some kind of plans that it's keep small. I got like I don't know if you guys know this. Trump family really built billions of fortune. They launched WLFI. I don't know if WLFI, some kind of a crypto token, I guess. So people are making billions and millions of money on cryptos. And you know why? Like most of them can't start. So like even I'm not fully into crypto because I want to make some profits on personal, right? Like Forex. Once I got into position, like maybe we'll go for don't wanna do multiple stuff and get messed up. So if you guys already on crypto, like I don't know, maybe if you guys already on crypto, like don't ever leave those stuff. Just always keep on working on it, keep on updated. One day it's gonna worth it. One day if you keep learning, you're gonna make it through. So we also planning to post some kind of crypto stuff also, like how to do, how to trade, what like you know. I guess we have. I have to learn myself first because once I got some good, like I was definitely sure. Stuff. Let's get into slow. Thank you. should have come now. Itself. Let's wait for the trend. Let's wait for the setup. So we got some. I hope. Actually, I will wait this much long for that. Randomly, I'll find out the setup. Yeah, today I have been like, started live too early. This was the first live new session, so maybe yeah, we'll wait for the setup. Each will give us so let's see. Talking, we might expect. So let's wait. So share here, so you can catch this trade. You see if this turns below EMA, this EMA. Okay. Too many people are watching before, but maybe we might get this setup now. But see, it's okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. Uh, if if this one going to turns out before this, okay, we're gonna get some good trade because you can see there is no wick around. There's no wick. It's probably I don't expect this to reach here. So this things start here. We might not gonna enter trade. I expect something. It's kind of good. Okay. I don't really expect this to reach this EMA. It doesn't reach this. Let's see. So this was perfect. See, there is no single wick past three. But if it doesn't reverse, we have to wait for another. It's almost there. Okay. It's sorry guys. Perfect. It's pause this line. It's just let's close the EMA. Let's keep on floating on the EMA line. Like I don't know, basically, yeah, song his lyrics are like kind of it's kind of actually. This little, it's kind of there. Like yeah, mostly when I was trading here stocks. Things like that. So, because of live I'm speaking. Guys, I really don't think so. You can see there is no sign of forming a setup for scalping today, but it's kinda very lame. And I do we miss this and it's going to be bullish. So, yeah, I don't bother if it's kind of bullish or not. We made some money today, like so I get into gold and whatever the sell buy. There is some options like option, but if I do, it's gonna be already it's done. But for scalping, yeah, fine. It's not like hope I will wait for another hour. If I got, then I'll go for it, or else end the session without. Sometimes it will be like this is the first live I'm ending without any reason. Even SLR, I will give some kind of, but this is the first time. It's not a single trade. Let's see what happens. See stuff. guys, what I'm trying to say is this. So you can see here, we got two candles, which is reversed, and it came back. Like, candle is not enough. We need at least three candles. So it go like at least 3 to 4 and we will get like doji candle of whatever. Like if we are under the EMA, we can expect a red doji candle. If we are above the EMA, we can expect a green doji candle. Once the doji candle appears, so we can go for some like this is I'm not sure because I need at least three candles. So I was expecting because here what is good thing was the wicks are above the wicks are high, uh, higher than previous, and you can see there is no bottom wicks, and it reversed doji candle. And if this was good setup, like this might fail because sometimes it doesn't have three candles. So which is I traded with three candle. This is the stop loss that you need to like the highest of the previous before the closing candle. Okay, if you want to go a bit far and you can just gonna drag it down. This is around 1:1 ratio. If you want, you can. So if there is a three candle, okay, if there is a three candle. This is how my setup is going to be like. So what I'm trying to say is this is not an exact setup, but what I'm expecting for a uh, strategical trade was, see, you can see this is about reversed, and it may reach here also. Sometimes it may come. That is like 50-50. So it is very clear that if you got 2 3 more candles like green candles, then you can look for perfect setup. Yeah. So today is the first time I'm came live for new session. So next time I'll be coming around 6 or 7. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. Uh, Sorry guys, really. See, I just wanna show you this. See, let's say this is New York time. Okay, you can see it's 9:50 around 10. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll go for before a day. You can see the same nine. Uh, like why I'm going back in 1 minute. I just want to show you guys there is the setup that it comes often every day. Okay, comes often every day, but today it's first one. You can see it's around 9, so the same like from 8 you can see. So here this is below the EMA and no wicks and up, and you see after this it's gradually dropped down. So this is the exact setup I'm looking for. But seriously, like I don't know, this is the trend I'm looking for. But today is kind of very slow. Okay, like even if you go here you can find out after 2 to 3 pips, like after candle you can see that it drops gradually down, and this is the exact setup I was looking for the same time, like from 9 you can see this is around, this is not setup, this is okay. We need minimum 3 candle, and see here also there is no wick, and these kind of setups are one is to a good scalping setup. Okay, so what I'm trying to say was from 8, okay, from 8 this is like UTC 4 timing. Okay, so from 8 to 10 every day we catch a setup, but today we didn't catch any setup. Kinda very boring day. So, okay. So let's see again it was retested into middle of EMA. So we close this live. I don't want to hold this for any more hours. It's kind of out, like next time I will come late. Next time I will come late. Yeah, see you. Bye bye. Like sometimes make sure a days that you don't trade, but you have to watch. You have to know like what's that is how the trading works. Okay, like one day you make no money, and second day you make a lot of money. That's how trading works. So if there is no setup, go out with empty hand. Okay. Yeah, fine. See you. Bye bye. We'll see you on the next live. I'm gonna end this session.